to our presentation on a chemical spill incident at the Sungai Petani rubber factory on June 27, 2024. This event not only raised concerns about workplace safety and workers' health, but also highlighted the importance of rapid emergency response in the workplace. What is happening? On June 27, 2024, there was a chemical spill in Sungai Petani, Kedah. This unfortunate incident involved a significant leak of sodium hypochlorite, a hazardous chemical commonly used in industrial applications. In this incident, it raised serious concerns about the workplace safety and the potential health risk. On that day, they found one worker unconscious and 16 others exhibiting symptoms such as dizziness and eye pain, likely due to exposure to sodium hypochlorite. Sodium hypochlorite is solution consists from reacting of chlorine with a sodium hydroxide solution. Synonym name for sodium hypochlorite is Clorox, liquid bleach, and sodium oxychloride. If exposed or inhale sodium hypochlorite, it can cause headache, dizziness, irritate the nose and throat. Now I will explain about the possible cause of Sungai Petani rubber factory incident happen. There are many factors such as equipment failure, human error, poor safety practices, and transportation. First, equipment failure. The factory workers do not wear proper personal protective equipment such as gloves and goggles. If they don't wear gloves, it will make the chemical will contact with skin. And if don't wear goggles, it will make the vapor from chemical will affect eyes. Next is human error. The worker do not handle the chemical properly that will make the chemical spill. Moreover, poor safety practices, such as worker do not follow safety protocol, that can lead to increasing the risk of accidents. Lastly, transportation. The chemical has the possibility to spill while transferring the chemical that can make the chemical harm worker. There is preventive measure after the incident, which we can classification an immediate response and long-term preventive measure. Immediate response refers to a quick reaction to a situation if something. In this concept, refer to this incident. Firstly, evacuation protocol, where warn the workers to get out, go to safe places. Then, containment action, which someone need to identify and isolate the leak source to make sure nobody nearby. Then, ventilation and decontamination, where if somebody affected, immediately provide first aid to make sure something bad not happen. The important one is reporting to the emergency services for a professional about this situation handle this case.
Now, let's walk through the general procedure for using a spill kit. Remember, while these steps apply to most situations, always refer to your workplace's specific protocols and the instructions provided with your kit. First, assess the situation. Identify the spilled substance and potential hazards before taking action. Make sure to wear PPE. Put on the provided gloves, goggles, and any other necessary protective gear. Contain the spill using booms or barriers to prevent the spill from spreading further. Then, apply absorbents. Place pads, socks, or pillows on and around the spill area. For uneven surfaces, use granular absorbents. Cleanup comes next. Carefully remove saturated materials and replace with fresh absorbents until the spill is fully contained. Proper disposal is important. Seal used materials in the provided bags, following labeling guidelines. Next, decontaminate. Clean the affected area, thoroughly using appropriate methods for the spilled substance. Lastly, restock all used items in the spill kit to ensure readiness for future incidents. Quick and proper response to spills is crucial, so regular training and familiarization with your spill kit contents can make all the difference in an emergency situation.
Long-term preventive measure is something to avoid problems in the future to make sure something like this case not occurs again. In this case, they have upgraded their safety systems to detect faster if have gas leak using gas leak sensors, and alarm will ring if something happens. Then, they already have training and drills about how to conduct regular safety training and emergency response drills, and do a simulation. From this incident, the community awareness has increased about gas leak safety measure and how to handle if something happens.